Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sana, and if you are someone who is watching my video for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be really grateful if you do so. And without any further delay, let's just get started with the video. I have been planning to make this video for a while now, and finally I got the time to do so. I'm trying to shoot this video for the last 1 hour, and for some reason my tripod is just not cooperating. Like कभी उसका हुक निकल जा रहा है, कभी ट्राइपॉड इधर हो जा रहा है, उधर हो जा रहा है. आई विल एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो आई विल शो यू हाउ आई एम शूटिंग दिस वीडियो. इट इज़ रियली फनी, बट आई मेक श्योर दैट आई शो यू एट द एंड. मैं इस वीडियो के थ्रू किसी को भी ऑफेंड नहीं करना चाहती, किसी को भी शेम नहीं करना चाहती, किसी को भी नीचा नहीं दिखाना चाहती. इसलिए जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर स्पेंडिंग मनी ऑन देमसेल्फ, ये वीडियो बनाने का मेरा बस एक ही पॉइंट है कि I see people getting influenced by the wrong type of creators, and I feel like that is not the right thing to do. You see someone having a 20-step skincare routine, you don't know what their financial background is, you don't know what their age is, you don't know what their skin type is, but still you are going to follow that 20-step skincare routine for what? It's not going to do anything for your skin. Let's talk about one of the most important topic that I wanted to discuss in this video is the counterfeit trap. I know, let's talk about the F word. That certain shoe, that certain bag, that certain piece of jewelry that is everywhere on the internet, and everyone is buying it, everyone is wearing it, and everyone is just rocking it on their social medias. I know people do get compelled towards it, you do like it, but एट द मोमेंट जब आप उसे ख़रीद रहे हो, आपको लगेगा 1,000 रुपये का चीज़ आपको 100 रुपये में मिल रहा है, एंड यू विल फील एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट, एंड you will bring it home, you will unbox it, you will wear it, and every time you will wear that fake product, there will be a voice in your head that is going to constantly remind you that it is a lie. So instead of wasting your 100 rupees, I know for some people it might be a small amount, instead of even wasting 100 rupees on that fake product, save that money. Trust me, I have done this for a very long time for things that I have wanted for a very long time. Saved money. I have not went ahead and bought a fake version of it, and save the money, go to that store, buy the original version, wear it with all the confidence that you could possibly have, instead of wearing the fake version of it. Trust me, if you go ahead and buy the fake version, the only feeling that you will get is going to be the temporary happiness that is not going to last for more than an hour, and once you have wore it, you're not gonna feel any. The only feeling that you're going to get after wearing that fake product, first thing, is emptiness. You will not feel content, and trust me, you will not feel confident, which is the most important thing of self-care, which is the most important thing why people spend on themselves. And if you're not confident on what you are wearing on your skin, it's not worth it. I'm just a 23-year-old girl, and I'm no different than any other girl on this planet Earth. I like makeup, I like fashion, I love to travel, I love spending on myself, I love taking care of myself, but I honestly don't like the idea of overconsumption. I honestly don't like it when people actually promote having a 20-step hair care routine, for God's sake, having a separate 5,000 rupees water bottle just to consume what water. The next thing, and I think it is also one of the most influenced market or the most influential industry right now, I call it the fashion fallout, where we see influencers doing all these big haul videos and big fashion videos where they buy 10 different kurtis just for one haul, and you don't even know what is happening after that haul. You don't even know कि वो कुर्ती जो 15 कुर्ती आपने अभी हॉल में देखी है, जिसके लिंक पे आप क्लिक करके बाय करने वाले हो, वो उस हॉल के बाद वो रिटर्न कर देंगे, उनको उनका पैसा मिल जाएगा, आपका पैसा चला जाएगा. I want to say here is, have staple pieces that are going to be trendy for a very long time, at least for 2-3 years, because we are in a time zone जहाँ पे कुछ भी बहुत देर तक ट्रेंड में नहीं रहता है. बट स्टिल थिंग्स लाइक अ बिग ट्रेंच कोट, थिंग्स लाइक a good pair of jeans, things like a good pair of shirt, things like solid colors, ऐसे चीज़ें आपके wardrobe में ना बहुत उसको you can dress it up, you can dress it down, and it will really help you in longer run instead of just buying a chunky big boot that is not even going to like be comfortable when you wear it outside. Try to spend on things that you know that you're going to be comfortable in instead of जस्ट बाइंग इट क्योंकि आपने अपने किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर को पहने हुए देखा है एंड चलो ठीक है, आपने खरीद भी लिया, पहन लिया, आपको अच्छा लगा, यू फील कॉन्फिडेंट इन इट, यू फील गुड इन इट, बट डोंट ट्राई टू फिल योर क्लोजेट विथ ओनली दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. एक दो चीज़ें होती हैं, हर किसी का मन करता है कि वो खरीदे, वो पहने, एंड maybe for 2-3 times a year, probably on your birthday, probably during festive season, or probably on New Year's. कभी भी आप खरीद लो चलेगा, बट नॉट एवरी मंथ. हर महीने कोई फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर एक नए हॉल के साथ आएगा एंड यू गेट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय इट एंड यू गो हेड एंड बाय इट. दैट इज़ नॉट कूल. ट्रस्ट मी, दैट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल कूल. Especially the Gen Z generation. I am a Gen Z and I know how emotional we are, how impulsive we are, and it's okay to feel all those things that you are feeling right now. It's your time, it's your life, do whatever you want, but just take care of yourself and make sure to be smart when you are consuming any type of content. Don't fall for any sort of traps, be it the social media trap, be it the social status trap. Don't fall for it. You are not lagging behind or you're not running out of time. Everyone has their own pace, everyone has their own journey, so don't compare yourself from anyone. And I think that's all for this video, and this time I'm properly going to end this video so that my friends don't come for me at the end after I post this video. Please make sure, if you have liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It will be really helpful and I'll be really grateful, and I'll see you in the next one really soon. And yes, I'll show you how I'm shooting this video. ये जो फैशन फॉल आउट वाला सेगमेंट है उसको मैं बस एक ही चीज़ से एंड करना चाहूँगी. एवरी टाइम यू गो हैड एंड बाय समथिंग ट्रेंडी, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू नॉट टू डू इट, बट एवरी टाइम you go ahead and buy something trendy, make sure that you're not just buying it for the sake of photos and videos and for the sake of showing it off. If you feel like you're going to feel confident in it and you are going to actually wear it, buy it. Even if you are going to wear it once in someone's wedding, it's okay, but you don't have to solely buy it just for the sake of a video or a photo. Just think about that before making any impulsive fashion related purchase. Okay, so this is basically the door of my almirah. I have लाइक मेरे फ़ोन के पीछे वो स्टिकी स्टिकर है, मैंने उससे इस पे चिपका के रखा था क्योंकि मेरे ट्राईपॉड का जो हुक था जिसमें फ़ोन को स्टिक करते हैं वो टूट गया है.